China just tested a flying windmill, and it could change clean energy forever. This giant drone-like airship floats 2,000 meters above the ground, where winds are stronger and steadier. It's called S-2000, the world's first megawatt-class airborne wind energy system. Instead of a massive steel tower, this helium-filled 60-meter airship stays tethered in the sky and generates power mid-air. In early tests, it already produced 385 kilowatt-hours, and when fully deployed, it packs 12 turbines delivering up to 3 megawatts of power. The crazy part? It cuts material costs by 40% and infrastructure costs by 30% compared to traditional wind farms. And because it's portable, it can be deployed fast, perfect for remote locations or emergency power after floods or earthquakes. A flying power plant. No towers, no foundations, just wind in the sky. Follow e-mobility trends for more insane clean energy innovations.